Go to our transaction portal at tap.dor.mt.gov. Under Income and Property Tax Rebates, click on Apply for the Property Tax Rebate. Fill out your Social Security number. Fill out your geocode. Your geocode is a 17-digit code that identifies your Montana property. Read the declaration and select the checkbox. Click on Continue. Click on the Apply for the Property Tax Rebate button. Read each statement and answer by clicking the Yes or No buttons. Click on the information bubble for additional information about that statement. Read the acknowledgement and select the checkbox. Click on Next. Fill out your first name, middle initial, and last name. Answer each of the questions on the page by selecting Yes or No. When you answer yes, there will be additional information that will need to be filled out. If you select Yes for claiming dependents on your Montana individual income tax return, fill out the Social Security number and names of each dependent that you have claimed. If you select Yes for receiving the Montana Property Tax Letter from the Department of Revenue, fill out the letter ID found on that letter. If you no longer have your letter or never received one, you can still apply for the property tax rebate by selecting No to this question. If you select Yes to the property owner being a grantor revocable trust, fill out the Social Security number and name of the grantor of the trust. If you select Yes to the taxpayer being deceased, fill out the date of death of the taxpayer. Fill out the Social Security number and name of the personal representative filing on their behalf. Add your federal Form 1310 or other related documents to the deceased taxpayer in the attachments. If you select Yes to filing a Montana individual income tax return with a spouse, fill out their Social Security number and name. After all your information is filled out, click on Next. Fill out the property tax paid amount that is reflected on your 2022 Montana property tax bill. Be sure to enter the total of both halves of your bill. Fill out the physical address of your Montana principal resident, including the street, the city, and the zip code. Click on Next. If it applies, click on the Click Here if your mailing address is the same as your property address. Or fill out your mailing address. You will need to click on the red triangle next to the sentence, Address needs to be verified, to verify your address. Fill out your contact information. This will be used if we need additional information in processing your application. Read the affirmation and check the box if you agree with the statement. Fill in your name and sign your submission. Select Yes or No if you would like the department to discuss your application with someone else. If you select Yes to the Preparer Third-Party Designee, fill out the name, phone number, and email of the person that you designate. If they contact us on your behalf, we will be able to share the information in your application with them. Click on Submit. You will receive a confirmation number of your application. Please keep the number for your records in case you need to contact the department with questions.